Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix Modern Warfare 2 crashing, not launching, won't start and crash at startup. So, the first thing we need to do is check all the updates for Windows, games and graphic driver. If they are available, please update them. Next, if you are using multi-monitor, then try using only one monitor and play Modern Warfare 2 again. Next, this way is only for players on Steam. Open Steam, then go to Steam at the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down box, click on Settings. Go to Downloads. Click on Clear Download Cache. Click OK. After that, log into Steam again and check if problem is fixed. Method 4. Repair game files. For Steam players, open Steam Library. Right-click on Modern Warfare 2, then pick Properties. Go to Local Files, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. For Battle.net players, open Battle.net, then go to Modern Warfare 2. Click Options, then pick Scan and Repair. Wait for the repair process to finish, then relaunch Modern Warfare 2. Check if problem is fixed. The method 5 is disable third-party antivirus software before launch Modern Warfare 2. To do that, most security suites will allow you to do this directly via the tray bar icon. Simply right-click on your antivirus icon and look for an option that allows you to disable the real-time protection. After disabling third-party antivirus software that Modern Warfare 2 still can't play, I recommend you try uninstalling that antivirus as well. And see if that helps you to solve the problem. Next, if you are overclocking CPU, RAM or GPU, then stop it. Overclocking may make your system unstable, which is one of the common causes of this problem. If the problem is still not resolved, try disable all apps with overlays. To do that on NVIDIA GeForce Experience, go to Settings, then you will see in-game overlay, just disable it. On Discord, go to Settings. Scroll down and you will see Game Overlay. Click on it, then disable it. So, if you are using onboard graphics and video card at the same time, then make sure that the display cable is plugged directly into the ports on the graphics card. If you are plugging the display cable on motherboard, shut down PC, then unplug display cable on motherboard and replug on the ports on the graphics card. Turn on PC, then launch Modern Warfare 2 and see problem is fixed or not. The next method is set high-performance graphics for Modern Warfare 2. To do that, go to Settings, then select System. Select Display. Scroll down, you will see Graphics. Click on it. Scroll down and find Modern Warfare 2. Click on Modern Warfare 2, then pick Options. Tick on High Performance option, then click Save. Relaunch Modern Warfare 2 and check problem is fixed. If not working, then go to Desktop. Right-click on the desktop and selected NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on Manage 3D Settings. Then click on Global Settings. And choose High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Click Apply. Now, go back and start Modern Warfare 2 again. If still can't start, then go back Manage 3D Settings on NVIDIA Control Panel. Select Program Settings. Click Add. Click Browse. Go to where Modern Warfare 2 is installed. Select Call of Duty Launcher application file. Click Open. Next, click on Select the preferred graphics processor for this program, then pick High Performance NVIDIA Processor. Click Apply. Play Modern Warfare 2 and check if problem is fixed. Method 9. Perform a clean boot. Select Search, type msconfig, and then select System Configuration from the list of results. On the Services tab of System Configuration, select Hide all Microsoft services, and then select Disable all. Select Apply. On the Startup tab of System Configuration, select Open Task Manager. On the Startup tab in Task Manager, for each enabled startup item, select the item and then select Disable. Keep track of which items have been disabled. You will need to know this later. Close Task Manager. On the Startup tab of System Configuration, select OK. When you restart the computer, it will be in a clean boot environment. If Modern Warfare 2 still doesn't run as expected, this issue is not caused by application or service interference. You may need to consider uninstalling and reinstalling the graphics driver. And if reinstalling the graphics driver still doesn't make Modern Warfare 2 run as expected, then the more negative option is to uninstall and reinstall Modern Warfare 2. Finally, if you risk everything to be played Modern Warfare 2, you should reinstall the Windows operating system. That's it guys. If you have a possible method, please leave a comment below the video.